Mbunge Nene Kiokoni cha Umunthi Niyeethiwa na Kikalo kimwana Kuneenanisya Maundu ala Meiiwetetwe ta Mavata kwi Mwenenthi na Vala Ingi Meethiwa na Ivuso ya Kuvitukithwa Isyitwa ya Prof Kithure Kindiki Yila Musumbi Ruto Wanengane Mbungeni Kwoseleela mwana wa Munini wa Musumbi ndeni wa Kikalo ki ayumbe maaneli 36 nimeetikila Kindiki Kwoseleela Mwanya usu Angelina Mose ni watumbanisya mauvo.
Itino ya muthenyani wa iyo Mbungeni ya Senate Vala ula onai munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua onavikie kung'uthulwa kuma utongo-ini utuku wa kwamukia Umunthi yu President William Ruto numwolotie Profesa Kindiki kwosa mwanya usu Kiokoni cha Umunthi. Isesyo ya Kuvitukithwa Isyitwa yake ni ambisye Mbungeni Nene Vala ayumbe Meethiwa na Kikalo ki Mwanya Vala utumano wa President William Ruto wavikie kuma Mbungeni Nene ni Speaker Moses Masika Wetangula.
Today morning I have received a message from His Excellency the President regarding the nomination of Professor Kithure Kindiki EGH to fill the vacancy which has occurred in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya following the impeachment of the previous office holder. Honorable members, as you are aware, Article 149(1) of the Constitution provides as follows, and I quote, "Within 14 days after vacancy in the office of the Deputy President arises, the President shall nominate a person to fill the vacancy and the National Assembly shall vote on the nomination within 60 days after receiving it."
Kuyana na katiba itino wa President Kuneenanisya Mbungeni Nene ayumbe ni mailete kutoa isesyo ya kukuna kula ya kumwetikila kana kumuleo vumwe na kumya mawoni movala vateethia wana kuatia kilungu cha ile yulua itatu cha alama akuna kula ya kwetikila na muvango u.
Article 149(1) of the Constitution is expressly provided that the National Assembly shall vote on the nomination within 60 days after receiving it. The drafters of the Constitution distinguish the language used in Article 149(1) of the Constitution by expressly providing that the House is required to vote and not approve the nomination. Indeed, this is to be distinguished from the provisions of Article 132(4) of the Constitution, which provides that the President shall nominate and with the approval of the National Assembly appoint and may dismiss the Cabinet Secretaries in accordance with Article 152, the Attorney General in accordance with Article 156, the Secretary of the Cabinet in accordance with Article 154, Principal Secretaries in accordance with Article 155, and High Commissioners, Ambassadors, and Diplomatic and Consular Representatives.
Wanawiyo vukena na itangula iseso yu kutoiwa kwa metoketi uvadhukoni na katiba Vala Speaker Wetangula kusongia makulima amwa maayumbe kwa tianea na ki ingine walisikana iseso iyi na lasima ya kutoa iso kwa public participation. Ayumbe ni manengi ofisi ya kukuna kula Kuvitukithwa kwa Kindiki Vala mavikie kwetikila na muvango u wa kumuvitukithia ayumbe maana ili na miongo 33 tumai kuna kula ya Kuvitukithwa kwa Kindiki Vala vatai na kula ya olei.
Honorable Speaker, on the voting, abstentions 0, nays 0, ayes 236.
Mbungeni ya Muvitukithwa Kindiki Vala yutino aki Speaker wa mbunge ailete kuvicha mausungio kui President William Ruto ovamuna kuikia saini wa gazeti ya serikali.
Present and voting, as we had advised you earlier, the vote is overwhelmingly yes. So the nomination is herewith declared passed by the House, and the Speaker will transmit the results to the President, and the Speaker will also sign a gazette notice to this effect that the nominee for Deputy President has been duly voted by the House and approved. Approval is not applicable here. Has been voted by the House and therefore will transmit to the appointing authority to proceed with the appointment.
Kilivotia vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa Niyeethiwa Angelina Mose.